Here we go.
If I like you, I'll put you in a mirror. Yeah. Ain't enough of y'all pictures. We out here on the water.
We just got McDonald's. Yeah, but here we go. Yeah, we already drinking some wine.
It's a high time though.
And you know,
Where it really is though. That's
it's okay, cause we gonna have a good time.
The boat is good.
We finna switch cars, so.
Might just throw a tip if you get nasty. She a project baby, but she classy. Put dick right on her throat till it get raspy. Street nigga, but I'm perfect.
Okay guys, we are here. Well, not exactly. This is where you like pay and like the office is, but we're here. Somebody took a nap. Somebody didn't. Say hey. Hey.
We is tired.
Yeah.
The sun needs to come out.
Yeah, cause it's a little chilly, but it's only 10. It's early still. But I will talk to you when we get on the boat, by the boat, something. Y'all, here's the boat. What's on my camera? She got the blanket. I don't know how this watermelon getting cut open, but I want some when they do.
You can have anything. If I like you, I'll put you in a mirror. Ain't enough of y'all pictures.
But my attitude stank. Either way, this nigga still going to the bank.
I'm drawing a Billy been tangled like all of yeah, baby, you mine, baby. I treat you like a princess, but that dick gon' drive you crazy. Hard on my bad hoes come out the soap. Got thick hoes in the west, them no hoes where it's check. You with that nigga right now, but you know I'm coming next. Got thick hoes in the west, them no hoes where it's at. My favorite on the east side, I love nigga right now, but you know I'm coming next.
She wanna be Louise, baby. It's Louise, baby. Told her don't forget the city, baby.
That's how much I didn't know. That was good, friend.
Mine, baby. I treat you like a princess, but that dick gon' drive you crazy. You with that nigga right now, but you know I'm coming next. I QP that pussy PA.
Good for you.
It's okay, I can still switch it when I'm editing.
You know niggas love bitches with money.
Next black, no act slow. Motion for me, slow. Motion for me.
I wasn't recording. That's just real quick. That's it? Well, I was wrong earlier, so that's why that's on your map too. It's just those parts, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's watch here. Sit back down, keep up.
I'm in the fiend rental. Now I'm up for the wild like 20 grand, nigga. But why you saw me soon, that shit get real. Like I won't pay my youngest 10 and get your brother killed.
We can look on the map. No, I'm pretty sure that's it. Because anywhere you see somebody, a whole bunch of Moses parts, because it looks like that space over there earlier. That's why I went over there.
Really rich.
Yup, that's it.
You're sucking dick. First dick.
What y'all been doing lately making sense. Just when it
I'm not drunk, but I can feel it.
Yeah, no, because when I say I like woke up and
You're a lightweight.
yeah, like 2 shots I like halfway.
I'm buzzing a little bit. Yeah, put it up. Put it up. Oh yeah, put it up way more.
Ooh, that water.
More. Way. It's real shallow. Yeah. You can turn. Maybe, I don't know. That looks like it's at my hip.
No, it's low. Put it up more, right?
Deep.
That's good. Okay.
Because you gotta have it in there a little bit, don't you?
Yeah.
Slowly move that way. We don't gotta move.
I'm scared to move.
You don't have to like, don't like drive, but like, you know, float a little bit.
Just go.
Yeah.
He
Like
said
a
that
no
thing.
wake.
He said
Put in like the neutral.
after you hear that click or whatever.
You might have to put it down just a little bit. Just
And then you just stop.
yeah.
Get out there down.
Look at the water. Niggas is lame. I think I had fun.
They not coming?
I don't know. I want to get on.
Hey, when I was here
Right
on
here
the
to
4th
the
of
left.
July, look at
That for everybody?
No,
So is that for everybody?
That might be my
That's his boat.
uncle.
Look at this. What?
Yeah, we be out here all day. I live up north up here.
How
so
far
we
away you live from this lake?
An hour.
Okay, that's not bad at
I
all.
get here in 40 minutes.
Right. Pushing it. Oh yeah.
I ain't never been here before.
Bitch.
I don't know what she says after that.
Caught your motherfucking phone.
That's how you do me, ho? I know that. 'Cause I be feeling that. Because I call your motherfucking phone. That's how you do me, ho?
That's how you do me.
Pack the fuck.
I was finna tell a nigga he lucky him in this lake water.
Fuck no, I'm not smoking this lake water. Yeah, you gotta just. It should work. It should work.
Are we sure?
Are we stopping? We can't
I'm
stop.
pretty sure mine.
How do we do it?
I'm so upset.
You still recording?
Yeah.
No, you can leave it. Yeah, you
I
can
need to
leave
shut it
it.
off.
How do we do it, y'all?
Alright.
How do we do it?
You can just pass it to me.
We soulmates, you my twin flame. She dead, I don't play about you. He got money and fucked up. To myself like me too, I know things is different. Your name is different. I say Julio, shit, not me. Hey, bitch, it's not me, bitch. Bitch, I got the drip. What? Shit is not.
Nothing was true, nothing was friends, nothing so long, we do it again.
Y'all, so we stuck. We finna hit people.
That's why.
We're almost ready to hit people. We must be going that way. I had us going that way. We're turning around. There's so much going on.
Don't judge her.
Other way.
But, yeah, we gonna make more drinks.
Yeah, you do.
Situated. But, y'all, what's going on?
I ain't actually got no bill.
It needs to go down more. Put the thing down. Make it. Because they want to stare so bad, so.
Put the music on. Where the music on?
My bad. I was focused up.
No, sexy red since they want to stare.
Watch these canoers.
That big Baba. Baba.
You could just be smacking. How it's supposed to go. Yeah. We finna go tubing on the boat. Where the life jackets at? And they're in the front. Me and Maya about to get on the tube, y'all. We went back and we got the tube. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Per Aaliyah Dresa. We out here on the water. We out here in Miami. Looking for the Gucci daddy. Super scared. Alright, y'all stay tuned for us on there. We're just trying to get her putting her life jacket on.
My bad.
Okay, we put on our life jacket.
Let me turn the music down. We don't want no copyright.
Yeah, don't need none of that.
I gotta make sure this boy is tight, no cap.
Never play.
Tight.
Never play. It's pretty. Hopefully it ain't cold.
Alright, I think I got it tight enough.
Where we at, I think it's cold. Where y'all was at, I think it's a little warmer.
Everybody said that it was raining on Grand Rapids.
Yeah, that's exactly how he did it. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, we finna get
record us. Come on, Frankie, you getting on too.
Y'all gotta give me a hand signal or something.
We're gonna be like, we good, and then we
Like
then
this.
down.
Yeah.
Then down means, and then okay, whoever's recording is gonna watch it if somebody falls off. Slow down is this.
No, just
slow down is side. Back down is stop. Slow down is mid. I got it. Y'all got nothing on that's gonna come off your bracelet
When you want me to start recording?
when we on there?
Okay, cool.
Alright. Okay, you can record this right now on my phone. I'm gonna tell them how scared I am. Super scared. Oh, okay.
Y'all, I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna have to sit down and record, y'all, because she got my water fast.
I gotta like even it out. No, you gotta come up to it. Well, I don't know, right? What? Yeah, we're good. Put all on one side, Lee. You gotta hear me get on here.
Who they think I am?
Just hurry up and then grab one to the
Cameraman. Ah! I'm trying.
Almost slid back. Okay. Oh, fuck. Should we cross arms or something? How should we do it?
Lock arms. Oh shit.
How do we go back?
The water's not that cold though.
It's not. Okay.
Water's not that bad.
I'm sorry, y'all.
And then you gotta go to.
Look at y'all.
Yes. The rest of it. I'm so glad the water's not cold.
She gotta scoot up a little or something. Don't drop her phone. She might go a little fast.
She ain't moved yet.
All right, Mick, start going.
Oh. Oh shit.
I'm so scared. Please don't drop my phone.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go. Okay, don't go super fast right away, okay?
I'm gonna try to get the line tight first.
Remember this way.
Oh, she's trying to get on. So don't, yeah.
But we still gotta tie it to the what's it called?
Yes, it is. That's how it was. That's how it was. It was just
I'm
fine.
pretty sure I tied it. We looped it around. I put a knot around it and then I looped it around.
She be creaming. I ain't said that I hit this bitch. No, blowing ding hit me for a kiss. No, I took so much green, you think I was playing softball. Today's bitch and kid can't steal my socks off. Don't get your pussy ass cookies, nigga. You see me in terrorize, boy, you better hide your bitch. Yeah, she running out, she called me down and gave me all her brains. She would've done it. 5,000 pennies from off 20, that's
I don't know.
What happens if I take one? Oh, like you said, yo, I ain't gonna like,
Aaliyah, go ahead. Get to it.
Fuck around to find out, bitch. Eat it. Stand up. You might be able to
everything. I'm your main bitch. Y'all. And we're done. It's about 7:30. Sun's still out, but we're gonna start cleaning up. We had a time, okay? 10 out of 10, highly recommend, guys. My camera died, by the way, so we off the phone, but I'm gonna start gathering my shit. I have so much stuff. Yeah. Guys, we're done. Sis says, what? Good sandwiches. That's Aaliyah. Shout out to Aaliyah. She made the sandwiches. Yeah. Hey, bow. I got an extra hand.
Matt, get your hands together, bro.
We didn't even get out far from the dock. His hat flew on us. Now you know.
Hope we ain't leaving nothing. Nobody better not be. That was fun, y'all. I'm still drunk, so.